Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen, friends and traders around the world. My name is Jeff Goodwin from Forex Trading for Beginners. And for those people who know me, I also trade with the Ninjas. What a fantastic day it's been trading today, absolutely my morning. I'm in Thailand, in that beautiful island of Koh Samui. I want to share with you a strategy I'll be releasing this coming week. Look out, incredible. It's called the flow. Might even call it the money flow, but it's called the flow. Why do you call it flow in Scotland, where I'm from? They just say, just go with the flow. That means trade with the trend, ladies and gentlemen. Trade with the trend. So that's what this strategy is all about, just going with the flow. So I'll put my glasses on. I'll give you a little show and tell, and I've already get some additions to it already to make it even more powerful what we're bringing to our education platform. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Share my screen right now. So this before I go any further, this strategy is all about, this strategy, ladies and gentlemen, is all about trading with the trend. So we need trading instruments, whether it be currencies, if you use Forex futures, whatever you trade, you can do your options. As long as there's a trend, a very strong trend, something like using NAS 100, for example, you could use S&P 500, US 30. Any JPY pairs are typically strong. But as you can see here, it's built on some fine specific principles. Just to show you this, I'm on the 1 hour time frame. I could quite easily, ladies and gentlemen, be on the weekly time frame to show you this. And you see how it's a strong trend. Yep. I could be on the this deal. I could be on the weekly time frame, ladies and gentlemen. We're just looking for something that has a strong trend. Look at the power of this, how the price stays above this. We have pullbacks into the cloud and back up again. Right now, we'll put this pullback here, and it's on this downtrend. Some people say you should never short the NAS, the S&P, gold, Dow Jones, but it's been going down for some time now, since November of last year. That's 2021. Last year, so it might be an optimum time to consider it. The daily time frame, you can see there, the Forex strong trends. This is what this is all about, ladies and gentlemen. Finding a strong trending market and taking advantage of this setup. Personally, I like the 1 hour time frame. Nice strong trend. You can enter on this, or you can enter on a smaller, depending on if you're a scalper, intraday, or whatever you are. Let's have a look at this. So there's certain things missing from this, and I will come to that. But you see here, we're at this high, as I mentioned. That was going up, bouncing off this dynamic money line there, and it started turning around. And this is a volume weighted cloud. Now, the reason why I use volume with this, because that's a huge part. That's a huge part, ladies and gentlemen, of how I trade using volume. It breaks through, about a strong push through this cloud here. And then as long as it stays on this side of the cloud, and we're okay. So let's look at this as it pushes through here. It pushes through here, ladies and gentlemen. We have lots of equity in this trade. Lots of equity. Let's just pull back just to the volume cloud there, and it comes back down again. And then eventually, when it pushes through, what I always say to people is, wherever you are, whatever direct goes down, we got the pullback, and away you go. Likewise, if you're going to buy, goes up, there's the pullback, and away you go. And it just goes to the moon, ladies and gentlemen. That would have been a nice, not too shabby at all, 6,000 points, 600 pips. So it comes down. We've had the pullback, and away it goes. Boom. Now, let me even look at this, ladies and gentlemen, on a 30-minute time frame. That's right, a 30-minute time frame. Will it work on a 30-minute time frame? So my recommendation is you use this on either the daily, 4-hour, or the hourly, just for the trend direction. And then you want to scalp, you can certainly do that. But look again, it comes down, has actually a pullback there, and away we go. So how is that looking to you, ladies and gentlemen? I've got a listen. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to simply add the next evolution to this. Again, based on super volume. Another phrase for this is simply entering my life, my mindset, the matrix. And when you add the matrix onto it, ladies and gentlemen, it seems clear. The whole trading thing seems very clear. So if you're a beginner or even a struggling trader, struggling to see these charts, all you have to do is look at, is the background red or is it green? Whatever color it is, if it's green, you take the buy, if it's red, you take the sell. Are you ready? Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Let me just see, have I added it to my chart? Yes. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. Let me add the matrix onto the chart. You're going to absolutely love this. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Oh my God, ladies, you cannot make this stuff up. You cannot make this stuff up. So let's just have a look at this. Let's have a look at this. From the high again, it comes up, hits the high. We have a pullback there. We have another, wait for the pullback, hits the cloud, boom. And it's so obvious with a red background. Absolutely powerful. And at any time you can exit this trade, you can use a trailing stop loss. You can just, as long as it stays this side of the cloud, you can stay in the trade. And eventually, as it enters the green zone there, or even there, I would exit. You see how it turns red there, but probably want to stay. Now the cloud turns green. We're getting excited. We're expecting to go up. So it's down. This is in the 30-minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. It goes up. We get the pullback the other side of the cloud, and here we go. Now let's look at this. Outside of the cloud, we go from there. It goes up over 2,000 pips, and you see that point there, 15 points. You could exit at any point you like. Now at this point here, as it comes through there, you can watch the trade. If you stayed in the trade, it would probably hit your stop loss if you're taking all that way, or you can just re-enter the trade as it exits this volume cloud, and oh my God, it goes to the moon. It exits the cloud right there. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a 30-minute time frame. This is the flow. I personally want to call it money flow. I'm looking for some people who want to get involved. I'm looking for people who say, I want to go next level with my trading. It cannot be any easier than this. Red background for sale. It comes down. You wait for it to. This here, the dynamic money line, ladies and gentlemen. It pops through there, straight through there. But what I'll do is I'll even put a replay. So you see I'm not making this up, ladies and gentlemen. Yep. Nice and slow. So you can see this all for yourself. So it's a NAS 100 on a thick, I'm using the ones as a broker, ladies and gentlemen. Normal candles. Let's just watch this. We get this. We get it. We get an alert. We're getting excited. So we get the down. It goes back to green. Well, there's small pullback. And then we're going to wait for it to break through. We want to see a red here. Want to see a red here, ladies and gentlemen. It's predicting the future. There's a volume there. We get red there. You see it right there? And watch this now. Small pullback. Oh, at that point there, we're saying what's happening. It's just, oh, that is a huge drop as the volume lets us know it's pushing down. And at this point, we're just staying in the market. We've got all this equity. We've got this volume-based cloud. We've got the dynamic money line. It pushes back into there. Does it go up? Does it? That pushes back. See that there? It rejects off the volume cloud. Can you see this? How powerful? Now at this point, you could probably bring your stop loss down to here, above here, or even above here, ladies. And that's how about that? Now let's just measure that from this point here. And this is live, ladies and gentlemen. This is live. Cannot make this stuff up. Now I could go back in time. I could just keep going back in time, and you can see for yourself, ladies and gentlemen, the power of the money flow. It just, look at that there, boom, comes back out the cloud, boom, pull back, boom. You simply cannot make this stuff up. Now, for those people who like trading the US 30, let me have a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. The Dow Jones. Yeah, I'm not going to change any settings around. I'm just going to switch it on. Yeah, it comes down like that. It turns green because of this here, but all this is down. So you do not enter. There we go. Boom. Outside of the cloud, and away we go. A nice profit. Yeah. Now we're waiting for the sell. Came down there, so that's why I went red. It went into at this point here. Everything goes red. Oh my God, you cannot look at the power of that drop, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, look at this. Absolutely. SPX 500. Same thing. Let's look at this on the 4-hour time frame for those people that like higher time frames, ladies and gentlemen. Simple, easy, effective. Yes? You liking this? Are you liking this? So, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to learn to trade money flow, next week, myself and Dalton will be releasing this. Now, for those people who want to get involved on the inside at launch, I do encourage you to reach out to myself or Dalton. Just say, I want access. If you want access to our inner circle trading group, get involved. It's not free. I'll be completely honest. It's only £4 a day, $6 a day, ladies and gentlemen. It's like working half an hour in McDonald's. You can't afford half an hour working at McDonald's to help your family, not just for now, but also for the future. You have to think again. I know it's right now, times aren't easy, but it's £4, $6 a day to get this incredible strategy. But not just this incredible strategy, a full education program, live traders all around the world. Let me show you one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Let me show you. Let me see if I can even get this down to, I know there's many scalpers amongst us. Let me see if I can get this down, ladies and gentlemen, to a 5-minute time frame. Yeah. How would that convince a few of you? I think it would. Here we go. Right, again, Standard & Poor's 500, ladies and gentlemen. Jump it in anywhere. It's a red, high, under the cloud, under this volume. I keep on trading with volume, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we get this green cloud, but it just keeps pushing down. And at that point there, you've got some decisions to make. It rejects off the cloud, boom. Ladies and gentlemen, this is pure gold. Yep. No entry of that's trade. Why? Because we're under the cloud. We have this one candle here. If you get in that, you saw it coming down, you would just simply exit, maybe at a small loss, but guess what? Or even break even. Same thing. Under the cloud, make a small profit, not much. Small profit, I'm not going to count that. You know, small profits into the cloud, a little bit of consolidation there. Let's just be honest, you do get it. So it was up there. We get the pullback, ladies and gentlemen. We get the pullback. Ready? Here we go, and it just goes, and eventually 244 pips. Look at that points. Sorry. Now, and it just goes on, and another one. Let's look at the NAS. Okay, let's look at some currencies, ladies and gentlemen. EUR, US. I know it's quite a few people trading currencies here now on the 5-minute time frame. I'll say that again. I'm on the 5-minute time frame. Okay. Now this obviously, there it is there. Use a few different. This doesn't seem to work. Anyway, green background, it goes up. There's the pullback. Yeah, and it does go up. It has less movement than the NAS, ladies and gentlemen. That never worked. That never worked. That stayed the same. Let's look at CAD JPY. I know a few people that trade a banker's style of strategy. No idea what this is, I think. Sounds like a look at that, ladies and gentlemen. So forget that there for now. So pops through there, and away you go. Yeah, no entry. Why? This is below the clouds, in the clouds, in the cloud. Green, once you get that, you might want to consider coming out. You're just waiting for a long trend. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a brief overview. My name is Jeff Goodman, Forex Trading for Beginners. If you do want to access this, reach out, put your hand up, send me a message wherever you're at. Say, I want the inside scoop. I'm prepared to spend £4 a day to learn to trade with you and other amazing traders. Only $6 daily, ladies and gentlemen. Wherever you're at, I'll see you at the top. Bye for now, and have a great day.